Good morning, 6-4. As requested, I have prepared a video to explain question 2 and question 4 on page 161 and 162 in your Maths Workbook 6A. Before I start this lesson, let me share with you some tips for finding the unknown angle. Always start with the unknown angle so that you can find out what other angles you need to find. The second tip is to decide which angle property to use to find the unknown angle. The unknown angle may lie on the straight line or is part of the triangle. I will show you how to use the two tips in the next two questions. Now, please turn to page 161, question 2. Let's focus on finding angle AEB first. Let's start with the unknown angle AEB. Angle AEB is part of a triangle AEB. Angle AEB is also lying on the line DEC. So, which property will you use to find this unknown angle? Will you use the angles in a triangle or angles on a straight line? Looking at the known angles given to me, I will use the angles in a triangle because I know one of the angles in triangle AEB. Let's now focus our attention on triangle AEB. The sum of angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. Triangle AEB is an isosceles triangle. So, the angles opposite the equal sides are the same. Angle BAE is also 48 degrees. Now, I can find angle AEB, which is 84 degrees. Let's now turn our attention to angle EBC. Angle EBC is part of a triangle BEC. Angle EBC is also part of the trapezium A, B, C, and D. Should I use the angle properties in a triangle or the angle properties in the trapezium to find angle EBC? Looking at the known angles, I would use the angle property of the trapezium because angle between the parallel lines in the trapezium will add up to 180 degrees. In this case, it's angle ABC and angle ECB. We shall now focus our attention on trapezium A, B, C, D to find the unknown angle. The sum of the angles ABC and angle DCB is 180 degrees because they are angles between parallel lines. With that, I can find angle ABC, which is 100 degrees. Angle ABC is make out angle EBC and ABE. Since I know the angle ABE is 48 degrees, I can go on and find angle EBC, which is 52 degrees. Please turn to the next page as now we are looking at question 4. Let's focus our attention on the unknown angle GFJ. It is lying on the line EFH. Looking at the straight line EFH, we have angles EFG, angle GFJ, and angle JFH. All these three angles are on the line. Before we can find the unknown angle GFJ, we have to first find the angle EFG and angle JFH. Let's look at angle EFG. Angle EFG is part of the triangle EFG. By using the sum of angles in a triangle, we can find the angle EFG, and that is 12 degrees. Now, let's move on to angle JFH. This angle is part of the triangle JFH. Triangle JFH is an isosceles triangle. This means that angles opposite the equal sides of the triangle are the same. With that, I can find angle JFH, which is 64 degrees. Now, let's look at the straight line EFH. The three angles here will add up to 180 degrees because the angles on the straight line is 180 degrees. We can now find the angle GFJ, and it is 104 degrees. I hope you find this video useful. That's all for now. Thanks, bye.